Hello everyone, so today we are going to make rose gel cleanser. As the name suggests, it is a gel based cleanser, and in this gel based cleanser I have used Solar Gum AX as a thickening agent. I have used a number of gums till date, including xanthan gum, gore gum, carbopol, and I don't know how many gums I must have used. But by far, Solar Gum AX has given me the best results till date. So today I thought, why not share a recipe including this gum. You'll find everything about Solar Gum in my blog post. It has everything which you need to know about this gum. So please go ahead and check that blog post. I'll put a link in the description box below. So have a look. Along with Solar Gum, I have used Rose Hydrosol. It is my base as well as my fragrance. I haven't used any fragrances or essential oil in this because I thought that aroma of rose hydrosol itself was really nice. So I thought let's just stick to the original aroma of the hydrosol, and really you don't need to use anything. If you are using a good hydrosol, you don't need to use anything else. In that case, it is a kind of cost cutting, really nice. I have bought this gram from Dr. Gauri, Skin Revive. I will put a link of her Instagram down below. So if you want this, you can go ahead and check with her. I think she has very good ingredients per se. So go and have a look with her, have a talk. She's a very nice lady, very, very loving lady. She will help you out in many ways. And without any further ado, let's get to the recipe and make some rose gel cleanser. So I'm going to use a borosilicate glass beaker and a weighing scale. This is a jeweler scale. The description box you will find the link to buy both of these products. I have been using it for a very long time and it has given me good results. It's been like a year I am using this. The first ingredient is our rose hydrosol. I am using it at 77.5 grams. It is an amazing hydrosol. The smell, the aroma is really nice. Nextly, I am using glycerine. This is a humectant which I'll be using at 10 grams. You can use any other humectant as well in this recipe. Be my guest for this. Next, I'll be using CAPB. CAPB is my surfactant for this recipe. It works out pretty well. In the description box below, I will write down what CAPB is. Next is my jojoba oil or jojoba oil. I have bought this from Atheon. You get it in local shops also. But check out which you want. Since I buy it in bulk, I buy from Atheon and they have very good rates on it. I don't know if they ship internationally, but locally in India they are good suppliers for oils and butters. Most of my ingredients, butters and all, are from Atheon. Next is DL panthenol. DL panthenol again is a moisturizing agent. I just want to get rid of this gel based DL panthenol because it really is pain in the ass to mix. Now to mix oil and water together, I am using a solubilizer. I am using polysorbate 80 or Tween 80 is the chemical name, and it works fine for me. So I don't mind using it. There are so many other natural solubilizers also. So please go ahead and check out on Google what natural solubilizers are there in the market. Now I'll be mixing everything together very nicely and thoroughly. Once it's all mixed, if you see these bubbles, don't get worried. These are bubbles because of CAPB. You can get rid of them very easily. I'll be using alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Just spray it and ta-da, it's gone. Can you see that? So it works out pretty well for me. You don't want too much of bubbles while making the product because it just becomes difficult to handle. But yeah, next our star ingredient is Solar Gum AX. Solar Gum AX is amazing thickener. As I said before, it is amazing to work with. You will see within minutes the product gets thickened very easily. Everything about Solar Gum is in my compendium section. I'll be putting a link below also for you to understand what Solar Gum is. I have bought this from Skin Revive from Dr. Gauri and she is amazing. Again, she is an amazing person. really. I'll be leaving it for some time so that my gum gets thickened very nicely. Hardly an hour or so is enough. Then once I am done with this, till now I haven't added my preservative. I'll do so now once it reaches very nice consistency. I am using mica. Mica is my I had bought this from US from Micas and More. It gives really nice color to my product. Since this is rose based, I am using, I don't remember the name of this mica, but I'll put that in the description box. This is my broad spectrum preservative Isca-Gard. Isca-Gard is I am very happy with the product, so that's why I'm using Isca-Gard in almost all of my products. If you can see in my previous videos, I have used Isca-Gard in a number of times, and it works really amazing for me. The shelf life is also really nice. I'll just mix it together and now package it. I am using this dispenser. This is from IKEA. Last year I had gone to IKEA store in Mumbai, and I really fell in love with that store. Oh my god, that store is amazing. As I really love this because the mouth is so wide, you can easily pour it into the container. You can refill this container so many times, and it's glass, so it looks really nice, and it's environment friendly too. I have to thank Namrata for this spatula. Thank you, Namrata, so much. She was a doll and she sent me this over last time when she had sent some more items over. So yeah, here is our rose gel cleanser ready. Let's see how it works. The gel cleanser, the consistency of this gel cleanser at the percentage which I have used works for this bottle, but again, be your own guide and see which consistency works for you for your dispensers. But for me it's pretty fine, it's nice. Okay, so now let's try this. I am using just a little sprit of this. In fact, what I have used is more, just one spritz is enough, and I have been using this to remove my makeup very easily, just the base makeup, or else you will need, if you do a lot of makeup, then you need to use a makeup remover. But since I don't you put too much of makeup, this is enough for my cleansing. This is not a very foamy product, so I am not scared that it will splash in my eyes or anything. Its consistency is something like Cetaphil, which we use. It does the job very nicely without too much of foam on it, and it is not even drying, which is a added point. I don't have to worry about dryness after this. Just a moisturizer and I am good to go. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.